Hello. In this video, we are going to talk about the Box of Secrets project. The Box of Secret is a set of boxes that allow you to send encrypted messages back and forth with your friends. Inside the box, you will find two different kits. One says Box of Secrets. The other says Box of Secrets Partial. The one that says Partial is missing the code wheels, the half-inch screws, and the 4 nylon nuts, because those were used to populate this board for you. The nice thing about having two different kits is you can actually give one to a friend who you want to be able to trade encrypted messages with. I would recommend this one is the one you give to friends, since inside everything you need to build it is there. Whereas this one you build for yourself, and just be sure to use this hardware when it's time to add the wheels to the box. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go ahead and start talking about the project. I'm going to build the one that says Box of Secrets. Open up the bag and pull out the contents. Inside of here, you will find a bunch of wood pieces, a bag that has the wheels in it, and a bag with a bunch of hardware in it. For right now, put the hardware bag aside. Let's open up the bag with the wheels in it. Inside of here, you are going to find a 0 wheel, a 1 wheel, a 2 wheel, and a 3 wheel. You will also find a big flat piece like this with arrows on it, 2 rings like that, some box sides, which look like these, and a box bottom, which looks like that. So for your decorating of this project, this is the very top of the box. You want to decorate this piece. This piece with the little holes is completely hidden. This piece with the bigger holes in it is the bottom of the lid. So as the lid fits over, so you can color one side of this if you want to decorate that. And then for the box, you have 4 different pieces that fit together like this. So you can decorate the one that has the words on it. And then one side of all of these will be the outside, and one side of all of these will be the inside. And then for the box, the part that says Steamy Tech is the very bottom of the box. The part that is all blank like this is the inside of the box. So go ahead and decorate the pieces. When you're done decorating them, come back to this video and I'll show you how to build it. Okay, let's build the box itself now. The first step to building the box is to find the piece that says Box of Secrets. Take a nut, trap it into the hole like that. Take one of the screws, put a little bit of glue under the screw. Insert the box like that. And then screw the screw in. Like so. So when you're done now, it should look like that. Now take the next one of the pieces, which is going to fit in like that, and we're going to do the same thing. We are going to take one of the screws. We are going to put a little dribble of glue onto it. Take one of the nuts, trap it in. Take the box. Place it like that. Take that screw you put glue on. And screw that in all the way, making sure that all the sides align like that. And now we're going to do it again. This one's going to fit in like this. So now you are going to take that, take one of the screws, put a little bit of glue on it. Put the screw through. Pop it in like that. Do the last one. It's going to go in like this. Take one of the screws, put a little bit of glue on it, trap a nut. Align it over like that. Take that screw through the hole and screw it in. And then pop the side. So now you should have 4 screws all the way around the bottom with 4 nuts all the way around it. So now we're going to do a very similar thing, except around the top parts. Screw, glue, insert the nut, insert the screw, screw it in. Screw, glue, nut into the slot, like so. Insert that in like that. A little bit of glue on the screw, the nut, okay, and then one more. Take the screw, insert it into the slot, let's screw that in like that. Okay, you can use a towel and clean up any excess glue that may have spilled off. And now your lid will fit right over the top like that. You can take, if you want to install the wheels and play with this, watch the next video that describes how to use this and send coded messages. Thanks, bye.